We are pleased to show you the 2024 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.